apple, red and so sweet. B is for butterfly, fluttering feet. C is for cat, cuddly and cute. D is for drum, let's give it a boop. E is for elephant, big and bold. F is for fox with stories untold. G is for guitar, strumming along. H is for honey, stick to the song. I is for igloo, cozy and white. J is for jelly, jiggling bright. K is for kite, soaring so high. L is for ladder, reaching the sky. M is for moon, glowing at night. N is for nest, birds in flight. O is for octopus, arms in sync. P is for penguin, cool as ink. Q is for quail, quick on the run. R is for rainbow after the